Alright, welcome back. Let's continue from where we stopped. Last time we did sum. Right now I want to show quickly how to do average, which is simple. You can use the three ways also of getting formula. So I'll come right here under the column N for my average. So I'm just going to do average for this row. Learner 1 was scored 692 total out of these learning areas. So I'm just going to type equal, and you can see it's also being typed here in the formula bar. Equal, this time I'm going to pick average, then open brackets. I'm going to do an average for cells D3 all the way to L3. That is a complete range. Then click enter. So the average for this learner is 77. The same can happen. You just select the cell. For this second learner, I'm going to use formulas, and then instead of under this auto sum where we have the summation, instead of sum I'm going to pick average, and then you can see it's giving me an incomplete range. So I'm supposed to select the correct range. So this is supposed to be D4 all the way to L4. See, it's the same thing. It gives us, sorry, yes, so that is 76. Then I can copy all the way downwards. We have average also for subjects. So for English I can also use this function here. Once I select the cell, I use function. Instead of sum, I'm now going to pick on average, say OK. So the average is from D3 to D15. You can see the formula also here. Then you just say OK, and then copy the formula for all of those. So these hash or error are because of the resized column, so I can resize them and get the average. So that is the average. That's how you do average in three ways in Excel. I hope you enjoyed learning how to do average, which is simple once you have the data. Goodbye.